Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at SPY on the daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. Tons of trading opportunity today, mostly for the bears, but you can see the long lower wick gave some opportunity to the bulls as well. So we dumped and broke a lot of key support, and we did close below those key supports. And though the after hours action is showing up here right now, the close at the end of the day was right around just above 211. So we did close below 211.21, or make that 211.21 and 211.24. So we lost those little double bottom of support, and the dump that followed was on big volume, but it wasn't as big as on Friday. So the bottom line is the bears are in control. This is the third time in the past 4 days. If you've been watching these videos, we've been pointing out how the bulls are riding the price to the upside pre-market, and then as soon as the bell opens, it dumps. It did that Thursday, it did that yesterday, and it did it today. So the pre-market strength is not translating to strength during regular trading, and this pattern now that it's been recognizable, third time in 4 days, certainly easy to capitalize on that. And the 5-minute chart today gave absolutely no doubt as to who was in control. We'll show that here in just a moment. And SPX on the weekly time frame, that 10-week moving average continuing to reject the price, that break of 2120. Now we're testing 2100, and we rejected from 2100 about 10 times over the past year, and that is a very key resistance level, or was a key resistance level. Now it is key support, and you can see the bounce off of that level. We'll see if the bulls can maintain it. We've got the OFMC tomorrow. We've got Baba and Facebook earnings, so lots of action tomorrow, and we will see which direction we head. We've got the 5-minute chart for SPY. Look at how clear this bearish action is. I can't remember the last time that we saw the 20-period 5-minute moving average stand as resistance the entire day until 2:30 p.m. Eastern. So very clear bearish entry. Weakness first thing, losing all 5-minute moving average supports. Once we broke the low of yesterday, the inside candlestick on the daily time frame of 212.36. That was another clear bearish indication that happened here 25 minutes into the day. And then we just absolutely dumped. Lots of money to be made in SPY puts, lots of money to be made in UVXY, or really puts of any individual name. CMG and Tesla were the biggest puts that we were playing. And we did see that bounce. The volume climax here signaled the bottom, and the highest volume candlesticks of the day occurred right at the low, and then on the bounce follow through, we grinded against this 20-period moving average back and forth, established a higher low, and then got that higher high towards the end of the day. So the bulls did show up, but on the hourly time frame, we still have work to do. This could be a little bear flag before continuation to the downside. We need to see at least a test of the 20-period moving average resistance, which will be in the low 212s, upper 211s as we head into tomorrow morning pre-market. So that's where we head into tomorrow, and we'll see what the reaction is. I believe we had some bearish reaction anticipating perhaps the FOMC tomorrow, maybe some of that bad news getting priced in. It will all become more clear tomorrow by about 2:15 p.m. Eastern, and we'll be live for that FOMC announcement. And we'll check back in after hours here as usual. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.